Advanced ultra supercritical plant. Advanced ultra supercritical plant. Let me tell you one thing why I think this is important, because you know we adopted into listen in 2008 India adopted National Action Plan for Climate Change that you have read quite a lot. Initially it was having 8 missions. Then obviously with the change in the government, 9th mission was added, and that 9th mission is specifically for developing ultra supercritical temperature plants. So obviously it's not a small thing, means you are modifying a national action plan to include this. Obviously this is something where you will see it's a part of the commitment we have made for Paris Agreement. Okay, so that's where obviously it becomes very, very important area of the question. So it is 9th mission under National Action Plan for Climate Change. Obviously, who is the advisor for that mission? Scientific advisor, Mr. Chidambaram, not P. Chidambaram. Okay, no, like this. So that's where. What is ultra supercritical? Listen here. We have something known as phase diagram of water. First, let's have a broad concept. In the phase diagram of water, there is something known as critical point. Critical point means where water is neither liquid nor gaseous. None of the two. Rather, it is in a special state, and that special state is known as supercritical fluid. So when a thermal power plant is operating above critical point, that is what we call as supercritical temperature or ultra supercritical temperature. In case of supercritical temperature, the thing is the pressure and temperature is somewhere around 373 degrees Celsius and pressure is somewhere 220 bar. Now in case of advanced ultra supercritical temperature plant, the parameters will be 310 bar, 310, or you can say here 710 degree Celsius. Okay. And what is the common point? Listen here. The moment a thermal power plant is operating above critical plant, the efficiency is bound to be above 45%. Anything above 45% you should take. Okay, because the global average, mechanical engineer sitting on that side, the global average of the thermal power plants which are subcritical. Subcritical power plant means where the pressure and temperature are on the lower side and their water exists simultaneously in two phases, liquid as well as the gaseous form. In such cases, the efficiency will be on the lower side. But in supercritical power plant, there is neither gaseous nor liquid. Their entire composition of water will be homogeneous. So obviously it contributes a lot in overall improvement in the efficiency of the plant. Just one more point. Let me tell this thing to you, that in this case, the advanced ultra supercritical temperature plant, who all are involved over here? Obviously Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research. Either we will take BARC or we will not take this one. Then obviously there is BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, and no marks for guessing the third one. What? NTPC. And what is the capacity of this plant will be? As per the plan, AUSC will have a capacity of 800 megawatt. Please remember. What about supercritical temperature plants? Do we have? Yes, we have. As far as this thing AUSC, if you see supercritical temperature power plants, we are already having UMPPs, ultra mega power plants. Okay, ultra mega power plants, their capacity is 4,000 megawatt approximately. And we are already having 4 UMPPs operating in the country: Sasan, Krishnapatnam, Tilaiya and Mundra. Okay, fine. One. Later on, recently, just listen. Recently, it was a policy was made by the government that in future, irrespective of the capacity, all the thermal power plants have to be of supercritical temperature type. Okay, just one more point. Before you ask, do we have any example of advanced ultra supercritical plant anywhere in the world? Answer is no. So obviously there is no ultra supercritical temperature plants operating right now. I hope this is okay. This is more than enough. The most thing they will be asking the agencies involved, the parameters, temperature, pressure, and they will be asking with respect to National Action Plan on Climate Change. Okay, this is it. These are 3-4 statements they might be giving you, and this you can take